Charlie's cut on the valley floor has been cleared of tailings and lies beyond the reach of the old dredges. It sits on a blue channel, an ancient river path that has never been mined before, making it completely untouched ground. This old channel, known as Big Blue, traces back to a historic river system connected to Oregon's gold rush era, formed from gravels that hardened over millions of years. Stretching from Montana down through Oregon, the material is extremely tough, wearing out a set of tiger teeth on the excavator in about 40 hours. Last season, Charlie only managed to recover about 5 ounces of gold, but this year he is aiming for around 60 ounces, a massive jump. With gold prices currently high, he is determined to push harder and make the season count, driven by his deep passion for gold mining that began when he was just a child panning for gold. Charlie once worked as an agricultural engineer, but he and Sherry eventually decided to build something of their own, becoming full-time gold miners. They met years ago and have built a strong partnership, both in life and in work. They are proud of how well they function as a team, keeping work and personal life separate while supporting each other through every challenge. They have faced many struggles together, but remain committed to growing and succeeding as a team. Sherry admires Charlie deeply, noting how he has built their home and every piece of machinery from scratch. She contributes in every way she can, from driving the dump truck during hauling operations to managing bills and administrative work. Despite loving the lifestyle, they both understand that everything is at stake this season, and the pressure is intense as they hope this will be the turning point that makes their mining operation successful. They place a lot of trust in Juan and Freddie, believing their expertise could be the key to unlocking the mine's potential. The gold in their ground is mostly fine and flat, almost like paper, though it is very pure. However, capturing this type of gold has been difficult with their current setup. To evaluate performance, they decide to run a 4-hour test to measure how much gold they can recover. With so much time and money invested, every tiny bit of gold matters to them. Observing the site, there is uncertainty about how deep the old dredges previously mined, as they often avoided harder material rather than damaging their equipment. This raises the possibility that valuable gold-rich ground may still lie beneath untouched layers. During the operation, it becomes clear that fine material is not being properly captured, leading to potential gold losses. Some of the material that should be processed through the sluice system is instead being wasted, possibly costing them a noticeable percentage of gold recovery. The plant design allows material to pass through the trommel without an effective recovery system in place, especially for finer particles. Additionally, overloading the hopper causes operational issues, including the trommel slowing down and the drive system struggling. A worn tire driving the system slips under heavy load, which can strain and even break the chain, leading to costly downtime. Charlie admits that overloading the hopper was a mistake and recognizes it as a key problem area. The entire wash plant is Charlie's own design, including a homemade centrifuge built specifically to capture fine gold. This device spins material at high speed, using centrifugal force to trap heavier gold particles inside. While commercial versions are far more expensive, Charlie managed to build his for a fraction of the cost. However, the system still has flaws, as it does not clean and scrub material effectively enough, leaving gold trapped on larger rocks. The unreliable drive system also interrupts operations, reducing overall productivity. Cleaning the centrifuge itself is time-consuming and must be done manually, taking a significant amount of time each cycle. Despite these challenges, efforts continue to improve the system and recover more gold, as everything depends on making this operation viable for Charlie and Sherry's future. When the results of the 4-hour test finally come in, the outcome is disappointing. The total gold recovered is worth only a small amount, not even enough to cover fuel costs. While there are clear improvements that can be made to the plant, it becomes evident that the ground itself may be the biggest factor. There is still hope that the site sits on an ancient river channel rich in gold, but confirmation